This is me. Yes, me. And this is the story of an adventure that I took with my wife and two of our friends.
Let me introduce you to my friend first, Sujata.
Hi.
And this is Nitesh.
Hello.
That was the building.
कॉल करो सुजाता को.
हेलो.
तुम लोग वापस हो गए थे क्या?
नहीं हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि कैंसिल हो गया क्या प्लान.
अरे एक्चुअली यार पल्लवी थोड़ी सी तबीयत ज़्यादा ख़राब होगी तो अभी हम लोग घर पे ही हैं. सोच रहे हैं क्या करें. क्या प्लान है तुम लोगों का?
आप लोग देख लीजिए. मतलब
तुम लोग क्या करोगे फिर?
नहीं मतलब कुछ सीरियस वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए. अभी जर्नी करना है ना तो आप लोग डिसाइड कर लो जो भी है. हम लोग हाँ मतलब डिसाइड कर लो. नेक्स्ट टाइम भी जा सकते हैं वैसे कुछ नहीं.
तो फिर नीचे आने में कितना टाइम लगेगा?
5 मिनट.
तो ठीक है नीचे आ जाओ. हम लोग नीचे वेट कर रहे हैं.
बहुत गंदा वो बोल रहा है.
हम लोग नीचे ही हैं. Because of the limited time, we all decided to go to Pondicherry.
He's living in a parallel universe.
So we reached Pondicherry around 2 in the afternoon. And the first thing first, we went straight to the rock beach. Day 1, we mostly goofed around in White Town, laughed at each other, and had a great time.
Okay, so this is day 2 of the Pondicherry road trip. Right now we are at Serenity Beach.
I asked myself what I really wanted to do in Pondicherry, and I got the answer. Just live in the moment and live on the beach.
This is Guru. We are here to surf. Guru is gonna teach us how to surf.
Yeah. Hi.
Nitesh is right here.
Vicky also.
Vicky is our second instructor. This is for me.
This is for you.
Thank you.
And this is for you. Thank you. Okay.
Kitty.
I guess these are our boards. 2 of them.
Take that.
Nitesh got his board. I'm just waiting for my board. Okay. Guru is gonna help me shoot this. I feel like I'm in Baywatch. This guy next to me is the rock.
have to go there. That side? Yeah. This is Guru. Yeah. That's Nitesh. Alright. Okay.
We are just gonna get our surf lesson right here.
So the beginner, we have to go here, just close to the shore.
Okay.
Okay, so the beginner, we don't need to do anything, just simply lay down on the board. So when the wave is coming, so we will push you.
Okay.
So when we say hop,
Okay.
you have to stand
Okay.
and then ride the waves. Okay, it's all about balance.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to stand on the board,
Oh, how to stand on
how
the
to get up.
Okay.
So that is slow pop-up and quick pop-up.
Okay.
Now first, I will show you the first one.
Okay. Cool.
Just try it.
Cool.
If it is not work, try the slow one. Okay. So now the first one. Ready. Chin up. Now the wave is coming.
Okay.
Ready. 1, 2, 3, hop. Hands. Look at my hands. Before I was holding, but when I say hop, hands comes here. Then push it.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That's it. See.
Yeah.
Put up my foot.
Yeah.
Parallel.
Okay. Yes. 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 Yes.
It's not too wide. Not too close.
Okay.
Then next
Yeah.
squat normal, huh? And then you have to bend your knees.
Okay.
And then hands. And look straight.
Okay.
The board will bring you all the way to the shore. When you reach the shore,
Fair enough.
step up. That's it.
All right. It's our time to try. Just to get on the board.
First, yes. Yeah. And then get up. Yeah, but here it's different. Water is very different. Okay. So now, okay. So ready. When I say up, touch your hands. Yeah. Close. Yes. And then push it. Pull up, jump, parallel.
Okay. I can't move my hands.
You don't need to.
Okay.
Jump. Okay, look at. Yeah, just jump, bro. Look at your back foot lift up.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, your left is coming back, no? Naturally. So your left is strong. You are goofy.
Yeah, I'm a goofy.
Okay, you bro? Still thinking? Okay. Yeah, jump on it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, up. Chin up. Yes. Jump. Yes, look at. Balance is gone now.
Yeah.
It's slower actually.
Yeah. In water.
The water is
Yeah. It will shake. Yeah.
very difficult. So you have to practice here. So when you're jumping, you have to be in the stable leg.
Okay.
You don't need to dance and all. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up. Up, bro.
Okay.
There is no waiting for it.
Okay.
By the time if you're waiting, you will reach the shore.
Okay.
The water, I'm not gonna tell you push it back, foot and foot come up. I will say hop. You have to
Then
follow
it's
that.
okay. So one step.
Yeah, one step, one step. All in one go.
Oh, okay.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, up. Push it, jump. Good. Better. Your legs are too wide. Okay. Backward, no, backward you have to bring forward. Okay, that's this can work, right? Yeah, bend your knees.
Okay.
And yes. One more time.
Yeah.
I will take video on my phone.
Yeah, sure.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, up.
How was it?
Good. One more time.
Okay. Better?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, up. Yeah. Good.
What brought you to surfing? You're native.
I'm from Pandi only.
Okay. I can understand.
Sorry, I started 2014 for surfing.
Okay.
So it's been 8 years.
8 years.
So I'm from Pondicherry only.
Okay.
But I started my surf school just 7 months back.
7 months back. Oh, congratulations man on that.
Thank you, bro. Just 2 waves, you have to feel it.
Okay.
How it goes.
We just got a wholesome lesson on surfing. It's time to put the teaching to the test.
Thank you so much.
wholesome surf session has just ended. The best cardio of my life, but man, it was so great to catch waves. I was expecting I'll not be able to catch some waves, but
I told you some people are quick, fast learners. Some
yeah.
fast learners.
Thank you so much, man.
And the waves are also a little rough actually.
Coming from Guru is a big thing, that we were quick learners.
It was probably the highlight of this trip for me. Later that night, we went for dinner.
This is how the food looks in the 4th restaurant in Pondicherry. How is the food?
Next morning, we got up early to catch the sunrise. This is our last day in Pondicherry. This is like a early morning. We came here to catch the sunrise, but it's like really overcast right now, so no sunrise. The time right now is 6:30 in the morning and we have no plans for the day. I like such days. The girls are right here.
No, I don't want to, I don't want to grow up, but I have to, 'cause I know that one day, soon I'll be another old man in the front seat, saying that way back when, in my days, it was so different, not as crazy. Now all I see are just mindless creatures yelling at me, and they go
This was also our last day. I really don't like the end of my road trip, but I was glad that I could do Pondicherry proper. I hope my friends did too.
Now all I see are just mindless creatures yelling at me, and they go la 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 la
This was my summer 2022.